afternoon, Bhaumik. What are you doing?
I am playing tic-tac-toe.
Tic-tac-toe. You don't want to study?
I have completed my studies.
Okay. Fine. So, can I show you a new trick how to play tic-tac-toe?
Yes.
In integers?
Yes, sure.
Integers. You know no integers? Come on, I'll show you today. See, I'll show you this tic-tac-toe game in integers afterwards. Before that, I will teach you the rules of integers. Right? There are 4 rules. First is addition rule. That means positive plus positive. It gives positive number. Positive VE means positive, right? Short form of positive E plus VE. And this is negative. Minus VE means negative. So negative plus negative. That means when the signs are the same sign. See here and here, 2 number signs are same. Add and keep the sign. So when 2 number signs are, say example 3. 3 is positive number, 7 is positive number, 3 plus 7 it gives 10. Let us see the another example. Here minus 4 and minus 6. So now minus plus. So you have to do the addition of 4 and 6, that means 10. But you have to put the sign of the bigger number, that is, which is the bigger number? 6. So minus, you have to add it, but you will put the sign of the bigger number, that is minus 6. So here minus 10. Understood? So here plus 10 and here minus 10. It differs upon the example. Now the second rule is subtraction rule. That means positive, 1 is positive, 1 is negative, and we are going to subtract. So when the signs are different, see different sign, here plus and here minus, or here plus, then subtract and use the sign of the larger number, right? See, larger number. For example, here minus 5 is there and this is the plus 7. But between these 2 numbers, which operation is there? Plus. You are adding. So let us see, plus. So here minus 5 plus 7. So like minus 5 and plus 7. So here minus plus, you will do the operation minus. That becomes 2. But the sign of the larger number, here which is the larger number?
7.
So that means 2. So plus 7 got plus sign, so here also plus. If you don't put plus, that is understood, here positive number only. So your answer is 2. Let us take the another example. Here plus 6 and here minus 8. So plus minus. Right? So you will do the operation of minus, but sign of the larger number. So 8 minus 6, 2. But which is the larger number?
8.
And what is the sign of the 8?
Minus.
So here we have put minus 2. Right? Because 6 minus 8 is not possible. But 8 minus 6 is possible. And larger number sign is minus. So here minus. So this is subtraction rule. Now the third and fourth is combined, that is multiplying and dividing rules. Right? How? Now here see, minus bracket means into. Into means multiplication. So outside the bracket minus, inside the bracket minus, that is minus of minus, it becomes positive number in multiplication and division. Right? Suppose it is minus upon minus any number, that also it becomes positive number. So when the signs are same sign, the product, that is multiplication, or the quotient in the division is positive. Now see the example, minus 3 into minus 3. Both the numbers are negative and multiplication of there, it became plus 9. Right? It is not minus 9. According to the rule, minus minus becomes plus in multiplication. So it is 9. Let us take the another example. 3 into 3, both are positive. Then also your answer is
Plus.
plus 9, positive. And if they are both are negative, then also your answer is plus in multiplication and division rule, right? But in subtraction rule, plus minus minus operation is minus, but the sign of the bigger number you are taking, whether it is plus, whether it is minus. So don't mix it up. Okay. Now look here. When the signs are different, whether it is multiplication or it is division. So when the signs are different, the product or the quotient is negative. Let us see the example. If 12 is divided by minus 3, so what should be your answer?
Minus 4.
Yes, right? Because 12 is positive, 3 is negative, right? Or 15 upon minus 3, that is minus 15 upon 3. It gives
Minus 5.
very good. So now you understood the rules.
Yes.
Any doubts?
No.
Don't forget that in multiplication and division rules, minus minus, even the sign becomes positive. But in division rule, plus minus becomes minus, but the sign of the larger number. Children are making mistakes in this, so be careful. Now from this, what should be our definition of the integers? Integers are all the whole numbers and all their opposites on the negative number line, including 0. See, I have drawn the number line from the midpoint. It starts from 0 to the 0, right side of the 0. I put positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and to the left side of the 0, I have put minus 1, 2, 3, 4, that way. Understood now?
Yes.
So you understood the definition also? Now
Yes.
as I have promised that I will show you your tic-tac-toe game in integers rule. So let us play first so that you will come to know. This is red pen for you. Now here slight changes. Instead of cross and 0, you will write, what do you want? We will play this game in positive and negative sign. Positive means plus, negative means minus. So which you like?
Positive.
Very good. So you will make positive sign with the red pen. I will make negative sign with the black pen. So you will come to know. Okay, let us start with the game, Bhaumik.
Yes.
Okay. I am doing negative sign here. Negative sign here only. Oh shit!
I won the game.
Oh, I also won the game. Minus, minus, minus.
Why you did this?
Now I'll explain you. We are playing this game in integers this way. See, remember children, in multiplication and division integer, you just remember that plus minus gives minus. Minus plus minus. And minus minus you have to do plus. Now you understood? So we can play this game even in this way. So you will learn also and you will enjoy also. Now look here.
Why you have written the synonyms and synonyms? What is their use?
See, we can correlate any of the subject with other subject, like I have correlated math subject with English. Now you must be feeling amazing. Mom, why you have written positive, negative, up, down? This is pre-primary level. See, now I will explain you. Here integer words games we are playing. So here positive words and here negative words. So up, down, deposit, withdraw, above sea level, below sea level, earn, spend, rise, fall, forward, backward, over, under, profit, loss, increase, decrease, ascend, descend. That means when your teacher is asking support, write the operation for the following integers. it is given in the words. Right, number 5 is above the sea level. So how will you write the number 5?
+5.
Very good. Now, if I take it, yesterday the temperature fell down 7 degrees Celsius. So how will you write that temperature?
-7 degrees.
Very good. So now you understood why I have written the opposite way?
Yes.
Very good. So do you like to play another game for integers?
Yes.
Okay. So now we will play snakes and ladder games in integer. Okay, Bhavnik, which color you want to play
Blue.
this? Blue. Fine. You take blue color and I will take green color. Right? When your turn comes, you will start from the number 1. Now look, take the dice.
Okay.
Okay. Dice. Take it. 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your pin in on 4. Right? Now my turn. I have taken green color. Right?
Yes.
So now green 2. So mine is 1 and 2. Right? Now your turn. 2. Now move
1,
it to 2.
2.
Now here see, I have made Z. Z is the symbol of integer. So now see, Z plus into bracket -1. Now on the dice his number is 2. Right? So his number is 2. So Z value is 2. So if you put Z value 2, our operation is Z plus -1. So it is Z plus -1. And on your dice Z is equal to 2. So it is 2 plus minus minus and 1. So what is your answer?
1.
So now 1. So again you move one step ahead. Got it? This way we are playing. Now mine was on 2. Right? Now it's my turn. 1. Now see 1. I'll move it to the 1. Now what is the value of Z?
1.
1. So Z is 1. Minus minus becomes
Plus.
plus. Right? So operation will be plus. So 1 plus 3 is
4.
right? But the sign Z plus 1. So it is 4. So I will move forward how many steps?
4 steps.
Right? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Understood? Now play again.
1.
1. It's okay, Bhavnik. We can understand. Now it's my turn. 2. So it will be 2. Like way, suppose I'm now look here, children. There is you have to climb the ladder when your Z is 6. Suppose my Z is 6 here, right? My Z is 6. Suppose it is now I am showing how to play. My Z is 6 here when I was in 3 number. So 6 minus minus becomes plus. So 6 plus 3 9. So obviously I will climb a ladder 9. How? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Understood? If I come here, right, and my Z will be suppose again 6. So minus 6 minus 5. Operation will be minus minus as I have shown you in the game.
Minus.
Minus minus.
Plus.
Yes. So operation will be plus. So 6 plus 5 is 11. But sign of the bigger number is minus. So minus means I have to come down backward side. So I will come down, right? Look here, the snake is there. So 11 steps I will come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That way I will come. So I will straight away come down. Understood? So this way you can play snakes and ladder game. Now you can make your innovative way also this game anyway. You have to use your idea. So it is very easy to understand the integers. Understood?
Yes.
So 2 games I have shown you, tic-tac-toe and snakes and ladder. And instead of that, those rules also I have explained so that you will not confuse for multiplication and division sign and for addition and subtraction sign. Understood?
Yes.
Children? So, I will put this in my channel. If you like it, please like my channel, share it and describe it. Thank you.
Subscribe it.